Cooper and Chani sharing food. My turn? All right, it's my turn. Your turn. Are you done yet? My turn. Your turn. Oh, you dropped one. It's mine. Uh-oh, both of them together. Oh, wow. He's saying, no, it's my turn. Your turn. Crazy eating habits of my dogs, Chani and Cooper. They like to take turns. Don't you? You like to take turns? Oh, you're a good boy. You waiting? Are you waiting for your sister to have a bite? Huh? Oh, she's not letting you in, huh? She's my turn now. She's saying, move, it's my turn. I'm not done. Sharing together. Sharing is caring. How beautiful is this? That's Chani and Cooper.